When you're ready for the best, Acura of Peoria, Arizona's #1. Our customers are the reason why.
This dealership sets itself among the best that I've ever been to. They've got outstanding customer service. I've never had a bad experience here, and I really like the service from the staff every time that I come up. Because Acura, for the value that you get for your money, is an extraordinarily good find. As far as rather than paying more money for a BMW, you're going to find a better value with Acura than you would with other luxury brands. The customer service has always been friendly and on top of it as far as making sure that my appointments are on time, making sure that everything is clear when they're telling me about the vehicle or any potential problems with it. They're also very good about giving me a loaner car if that's something I need, and just basically in general making sure all needs are met. The people at Acura are excellent about fitting stuff into a person's busy schedule. I mean, even if it comes down to giving somebody a rental car or making sure that the vehicle is done at the time you need it to do. I've never had an experience where things weren't done when they said they were going to have them done. The buying experience here was very fast. It only took me between 2 to 3 hours when I came here and purchased my vehicle. The staff was very helpful in getting me into the finance department and making sure that I had everything I needed for a smooth transition from one vehicle to the next. I didn't feel any sales pressure here at Acura Peoria. The sales staff with me was very nice, very accommodating, understood my needs and what I needed from a vehicle and the price that I needed to pay. I would tell somebody that would want to come to the Acura dealership that this is probably the best dealership I've ever been to as far as customer service, vehicle reliability, and overall experience. I would tell them to come here, and just based off everything that I know and my experience that I've had.
When you're ready for the best,